Okay, number 15. Write a quadratic equation that has x-intercepts of -5 and 3 in factored form and standard form. So the name, we're writing quadratic equations. The description, again, factored form is where we have y equals x plus a number times x plus a number. Obviously it could be x minus a number, it doesn't have to be a plus sign. Standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So if we look at the information that's given to us, we're told that the x-intercepts are -5 and 3. Now that's important because when we've solved things in the past, solved quadratics, so again, you don't have to, this isn't necessarily part of the problem, but so you can understand what I'm saying. When we've solved something like 0 equals x minus 1 times x plus 2, we know that x equals the opposite of the number inside the parentheses because that's what will make this 0. So if I had this as my equation, then I would know x equals 1 and x equals -2. Now we're going to use that thought process here because now I'm told my x-intercepts are -5 and my x-intercepts +3. So I'm going to use this information and kind of go backwards from what we've been used to. So I would have y equals, parentheses, instead of -5, though I know it had to be the opposite inside the parentheses, so I'd be x plus 5, and then times x, instead of a +3, I know it had to be -3 inside the parentheses. So that's written in factored form. So y equals x plus 5 times x minus 3. To get it in standard form, I'm going to take the factored form and work it out. So this is multiplying two binomials together. So we know to use the Punnett square to multiply two binomials together. So I got x, 5, x and -3. So x times x is x squared. X times -3 is -3x. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times -3 is -15. Then I'm going to be able to combine my like terms on the diagonal. So I'd have x squared, 5x and -3x is +2x minus 15. And then we're going to put y equals to make it a quadratic equation. So y equals x squared plus 2x minus 15.